that parallel. I am highly no, but this thing of one contradiction because the petition mentioned it on one day. Yeah.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
It's a restoration application. I have filed application for intervention in the writ of plea. I have filed an application for intervention in the writ of plea. That application was listed on 3rd of December 2022. Unfortunately, my name was not showing in the cause list. Where is the cause list? I have annexed in the item number 19, your lordship. 19. Yes. At page 9 of flag D. I is at flag D, item 5. There my IA 7641 for intervention was there. That was dismissed. You saw the copy on the. I have, sir. Sir. Any objection? You are for the appellant. Appellant. Which for the Maruti? Then he is not appearing. But I just in prox state about what is the situation here. Writ applications club many the impugn order challenge in the writ appeal. There are several writ applications have been filed. The leading case was the Maruti, but they have chose to file one writ appeal alone. That industry is somehow insolvent and is not now because it's an year-on-year issues. And there is a stay being operating. They are insisting on demanding the additional securities. So I have filed a writ application before the single judge. There they have taken the stand. The writ appeal is there and writ appeal there is a stay order operating the revocation. Hence I filed an application though for implement. Though they have not made me party. So you in your writ petition, no order has yet been passed. No, my lord, my writ application, no order has been passed. It is pending. Okay.
In your this writ appeal, that is pending.
That is pending. In your, my lord, that's pending.
But you have also been issued with the additional demand.
Yes, my lord. That's an year-on-year issues. Every year they are raising. Now this is an old matter. This issue has already been settled to various judgments. And there is also new regulatory framework comes and they cannot demand.
In 19?
Yes, my lord. 19 they have changed everything. And even the government of India gave the that it cannot be recovered. In any years, these are on merit. Lordship may restore it.
Fix a date for
Hearing that will be better.
No,
we do not know. Writ appeal has been assigned to us. Yes. Lordship's assigned.
No. Lordship's assignment not in this bench.
No, regular bench. No, regular bench. We have to just restore it and then it will be.
It will go to the
interim application will be considered by the regular bench. Yes. All right. IA number from the restored. IA number 8578 of 2024. There is an application for recalling the order dated 3/12/2024, passed in IA number 7641 of 2024, which the intervention application filed by the intervener Bajrang Bali RE Rollers Private Limited was dismissed since no one was there to praise the interim application. Mr. Rotha, Plant Counsel, appearing for the intervention, submits that when the matter was the state
on 3/12/2023. His name will find place in the cause list for which he could not appear to place the interim application. In support of such contention, he has annexed the relevant portion of the cause list dated 3/12/2021 with this interim application. The Learning Council for the appellants, no objection for recording the order dated 3/12/2024. During the Learning Council for the respective party, the order dated 3/12/2024 passed in IA number 7641/2024 is recalled. Matter be placed before the assigned bench.
Interim order is the
Interim order
read appeal.
Read
interim order क्यों भेजना?
27/7/2022.
Interim order passed in the reception. Continue. Till the next day. Just file a memo on Monday. So if it is assigned to us, it will come. Okay. Yeah.
Item 4.
May handle. The order dated 20th January 2025 can be modified. The name of the appellant is Ramesh Pandey, but due to the
order dated
20th January 2025, man. This honorable court passed bail order minor in which the petitioner's name has been mentioned as Ramesh Pandey instead of Ramesh Pandey because in the that has mentioned.
But in the cause title, you have mentioned Ramesh Panda.
Honorable, that is typographical mistake, my lord. Therefore, I filed an amendment petition, my lord. That is miscase number. Till this 350.
In the judgment, it is mentioned as Pandey.
In
But
all
you
board
have,
papers.
it's all right, but you have mentioned as Panda. So what you have done now, you are filing an application for amendment.
My lord, for cost
correction of the name.
That correction, that page is to be again you file. So
consolidated cost item, my lord, I have ready, my lord. Today I will file before this honorable.
all right, this IN number 351 of 2025. This is an application for amendment of the first title of the appeal memo. The Learning Council for the petitioner submits that the name of the appellant is Ramesh Pandey, but inadvertently in the first title of the appeal memo it has been mentioned as and the corrected cost title be accepted. Land Council for the state has no objection to peruse the interim judgment, wherein also in the cost title the name of petitioner has been mentioned as Ramesh Pandey. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the parties, the prayer made in the interim application is allowed. The petitioner is permitted, the Land Council for the appellant is permitted to file. You are doing this
Yes, sir.
the files with amended cost title of the appeal memo, which is taken on record. Later, in the scanning we carried out in the first case change period in the preparation to IN number 350 of 2025. This is an application for modification of the order. The application has been filed for modifying the order dated so and so and mentioning the name of the petitioner as Ramesh Pandey instead of Ramesh Panda. In view of the order passed today in IN number 351 of 2025, a prayer is allowed in the order dated 21/2025, passed in ID number 3122 of 2024 in the cause title, the name of the appellant be read as Ramesh Pandey in place of Ramesh Panda. IA is disposed of. Yeah.
Item 3.
ARTH sent a letter for extension of time. In between, the case has been disposed of on 7/2/2025.
So this has become infructuous.
Yes, this letter.
Though a letter has been received from the registered DRT cutter at Flagways regarding extension of time for disposal of essay, but you are appearing for?
On behalf of Mr. Bose, I am appearing for the bank.
I am for the petitioner.
You are for the?
Petitioner.
So it is correct. It has already been.
Yes.
Both the land and council submit that the essay has essay number 161 of 2023 have already been disposed of in the DRT cutter on 7/2/2025. 2025. In view of such submission, there is no further requirement to extend the time of disposal. Yes, next.
Item 4.
On behalf of Mr. Biswal Minor, it will be taken up next week.
No, it is that not. It is a disposal. See, time मागिଛି ना आपन तादर कोन अछि लेखन the period the letter number one of the 3 months further time is granted for disposal of the arbitration case number 16 of 2016. Yeah, intimate the consent.
Item 5.
In this case, I am for the petitioner. It's a dispute for classified. And IA for intervention has been filed, but no copy has been served on the petition.
No, with the council. Who has filed the intervention application? His name is not appearing. So
It has mentioned Achitananda
Patnaik.
It has been mentioned.
No, it is mentioned, but this side, he might not be. ଏପଟେ ଆସିଗଲେ ସେଗୁଡାକ ଜଣା ପଡିଯାଏ ତା ଭିତରେ ପଶ୍ଚିମ ନାଟା ତେଣୁ ସେମ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହବ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ମିଷ୍ଟର ରଥ ଫେସ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ନା ଆସିବନି କହିଦେବା କି ଏପଟ ସାଇଡ କୁ ଆସିବ ବୋଲି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏଇଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରିମ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭେନସନ କଣ ପାଇଁ
କପି ସର୍ଭେ ହେଇନି ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭେନସନ ଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ କରାଯାଇଛି
ଦେଖିଦବା I1593 ଏଟା କେବେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି 26/11/2024 ରେ
and pursuant to your lordship's order the petitioner has already preferred appeal.
କିଛି ବୋଧେ ଲେଖିନା ସେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ ଏଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ପରେ ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି କାରଣ there is no mention in the interim application which was filed on 26/11/2024 that the writ petition has already been disposed of on 5/11/2020. 5/11/2024 हमें ये करते हैं ना IA number so and so there is an application for intervention. None appears to praise this application. Moreover, the in the this writ petition, since the writ petition has already been disposed of by order dated 5/11/2024, we do not find any reason to allow this interim application. Accordingly, IA is disposed of.
Item 6.
Yes.
I am Karan Malad. I pray for submitting the application certified copy of the honorable court on 4/1/2025. Before 1 week, my lord, the letter issued.
Time limit to submit the phrase at on order is like time limit.
This is the memo and filing letter and a copy of the
Just a
postal
minute,
receipt.
taking into account the nature of relief sought and due to pendency of so and so, this writ petition is disposed of directing the Secretary Home so and so to consider the representation in accordance with law and dispose of the same within a period of 3 months from the date of production of the certified copy of the order by the petitioner and communicate the order so and so.
Earlier letter has been disposed of by the opposite party number 2 Home Department. That certified copy has not been filed. So, but on 23rd December 2024, the letter has been issued to the petitioner. The certified copy has not been submitted before the opposite party number 2. But as per the direction of the honorable court, the opposite party number 4 is going to inquire the matter. And on 18th,
We do not know. We have stated that you said that a representation is pending.
the certified copy mechanically asserted and
Which certified copy?
My lord, certified copy along with the read petition and annexure copy as filed on
Mr.
4/1
Counsel, we have not fixed any time limit
My lord,
for you to file the certified copy.
my lord.
So there is no question of extending the time. Okay, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ time limit fix up କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଏତିକି ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ନେଇକିନି certified copy ଟା produce କରିବେ authority. ସେ period ଟା ଯଦି expire କରି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତେ ଯେ ଆମକୁ further time ଦିଆଯାଉ। ଆମେ ତ ଆମ order ରେ କହିନୁ ଯେ ଆପଣ କେବେ certified copy ଆମେ କହିଛୁ ଯେବେଠୁ ଆପଣ produce କରିବେ certified copy ଆପଣଙ୍କର representation 3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ସେ dispose of କରିବେ। Other extension of time कौन आसे?
My lord, the certified copy filed by the petitioner that may be considered to dispose of the matter. Earlier that submitting of the application they have disposed of
अच्छी अपनी extension ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ IA file କରିଛନ୍ତି look at your IA. You filed an IA for extension of time to submit the fresh certified copy. कौन हम बुझी पारनु तुम बुझांतु fresh certified copy आपण जदी certified copy ए order आपण have you obtained or not?
we have obtained.
Is there any time limit to submit the certified copy before the authorities who are supposed to dispose of your representation? ଆମେ fix up କରିଛୁ କି କିଛି?
Fix
ତାହେଲେ extension ଆମେ କଣ କରିବୁ?
My lord, the earlier that filing of the copy of the honorable court and all annexures writ petition. Before that, they have saying that you are not submitting the application. The letter is this minor on the memo minor can be peruse the letter or
No. That means your representation is not before the authority.
yes.
Your representation is before the authority or not? It is before the authority. Our order is that the day we file the certified copy, within 3 months of filing of the certified copy, your matter will be disposed.
The certified copy and all annexure copy is writ petition are pending before the.
Then why you are going for again? Then why are you asking for certificate?
Asking before my lord, before that filing of the copy of the honorable court, before that they have
they have disposed of the representation.
Dispose of then you
have not mentioned
you
it.
have not mentioned you have suppressed it.
Mentioned that certified copy is not filed.
No, that is different. That means by second.
Ajan the Mr. Counsel, if Ajan 20 the order we passed on 7/10/2024. If your representation by that time has already been disposed of, then you should have fairly stated that when the matter was taken up. So without making such submission, you get an order that your representation is to be disposed of within this limit. Is it not a incorrect statement which was made by you on 7/10 that my representation is pending, let it be disposed of, when you are fully aware that your representation has been disposed of?
When was it disposed of? When was it disposed of?
23rd December of 2024, my lord. The
23rd December.
My lord, the representation filed on 4/1 week after. My lord, 4/1
but before she submits the certificate copy.
It may be so that from the state side, the intimation has gone and they have acted upon it.
No, the situation is something different. As I can read from the order, they say that whereas the legal heir of Muhammad Gulzar
Srimati Surtun Beva had filed a similarly situated case by WPC number 21708 of 2023 before the Honorable High Court, which was disposed of with a direction to consider the representation in accordance with law within 3 months from the date of production of certified copy by the petitioner. The representation was rejected by this department speaking order number 42917 dated 1/11/23. And now the legal heirs of Surtun Beva have filed the present date petition 24891 of 24 by claiming similar benefit, which is not at all considerable on the part of the state.
All right, so that has been disposed of. Disposed of before you challenge it that.
My lord, earlier,
Anyway, there's a new cause of action.
Number one, so there's an application for extension of time.
New cause of action.
Since the representation has already been disposed of and a new cause of action arises. Yes, next.
My lord, the application is pending.
Item 7.
My lord.
Next.
Item 7.
The name of the parties, registry point of view. The name of the parties at the top of the order sheet dated November of 2007 is inadvertently typed incorrectly. Correction of the methodology. Order dated November. Pradipta Kumar Das. এটা কোনটা হচ্ছে পার্টি নাম হচ্ছে সরোজ দুরা ওটা ভুলে গিয়েছে ধ্রুয়া corrected এটাকে খালি লিখে দেওয়া it will read as period the office note. It is pointed out that in the order dated 9/12/2024 the petitioner's name has been incorrectly reflected. So the petitioner name read as Soros Pura in place of in place of Pradipta Kumar Das and another inverted commas. Yes, next.
Item 8.
Without the 8/1/25 order, let's say 8/1/25. Same for period the office note. In the order number 1, the date of the order period as 8/1/25 instead of 8/1/24. Yes, next.
Item 9.
Dealing the list, what's the call this matter only chapter, and your lordship similar matter proceeded next week for hearing the writ petition. That's why I pray this matter will second after 2 weeks.
Land counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Mahanti, land counsel for the petitioner. It's for an adjournment.
Connected matter है techno
खाली हमें adjourn कर दी थी 2 weeks पर उठे डेट थी. Yes, next.
Item 10.
I 390 in place of 25 years, 381 of 24 instead of 390 of 225.
But the notice could not be issued as IA number has been inadvertently typed as IA number so instead of so. Order number 3. So the order number 1 and 2. 1 में तो किसी को नहीं. Order number 1 से ठीक है. इसका जो 2 टारे IA number टा हम उसे पूछें थी.
381 of 390 of 20.
390 of 20.
So 381 of.
All right. It लिखी जाओगे. Period the office note. In the order number, the IA number be read as 390 of 2025 instead of 381 of 2020. Bus. The inverted one. Yeah.
The same order may come.
Interim order is there.
The interim application 390 of 2.
No. Interim order is there or not?
Yes, madam. So
Acha,
number
the
2.
interim order shall continue till next week. Yes.
Item 11.
Item 11, my requisition has been disposed of with a direction to the opposite by 3 ADM. Consider my requisition within a specific period. Now, in the ordering portion, para 3 measures, my prayer is, and in the requisition, my prayer is specific prayer. The petition up to why the application filed a petition for enforcement of the award shall not be had and disposed of by the ADM within a specific period. And to award the compensation ratio to Hal Khatana so and so in favor of situation after due.
ଆମେ ତ ଅପରେଟିଭ ପୋର୍ସନ ରେ କରୁଛୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Actually,
ଯୋଉ
ଗୋଟେ
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ ହବ
ଗୋଟେ
କଣଟା ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ନା ନାଁଟା ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଭୁଲୁକୁ ଭୋଇ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସିଏ
କୋଉଠି
ଯୋଉ ପାରା 3 ଅର୍ଡର ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପାରା 3 ରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି after due inquiry as petition is the legal ଭୁଲୁକୁ ଭୋଇ no fair concern my lord to the petition my lord.
ଆପଣ ଦେଇଥିବେ ବଢେଇଥିବେ ସେ ଯୋଉ କଣ
ନା ନା ମୁଁ କିଛି
ସିମିଲାର ଅର୍ଡର ଫର୍ଡର ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର କରି କଣ ବଢେଇଥିବେ
my prayer only prayer apportionment of the compensation
ଏଇ କଣଟା କଟିବ କଣ
ସେ ଭୁଲୁକୁ ଭୋଇ ନାଁଟା ଗୋଟେ ଭୁଲରେ ରହିଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ସବୁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ୱେଟ୍
apportionment word ଟା ନାହିଁ
ସିଆଡକୁ ଆମେ ଯିବୁନି ଆମେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କରିବାକୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଦେଇଛୁ
ସେ ନାଁଟା ଟିକେ
you have no such prayer in the IA that ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ନାଁଟା ଭୁଲରେ ରହିଯାଇଛି ସେଟାକୁ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି you have prayed for something else withdraw this interim application file a better application if you want to delete that name we say the land council for the petitioner seeks permission to withdraw the interim application to file a better application disposed of yes next
Item 12.
yes
I am for the opposite party.
which for the petitioner
I am for the petitioner in the read person.
no now you are the opposite party
Yes.
we are at a review petition
condemnation of delay ପାଇଁ
condemnation of delay ତ ଇଏ ହେଇଯାଇଛି delay condone ହେଇଯାଇଛି admission ପାଇଁ ଆସିବାର ଥିଲା admission ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି but the council is Vikar Kumar Ratha
ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ପର୍ଚେଜର ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା ଏଇଟା ମତେ
no the council is not there so cannot take up the matter the land council for the bank Mr. Biswal is present non-obvious for the petitioner case is adjourned hello date पकेबल after 2 weeks in the experience is able to put a matter